What's up, you guys? You're watching Sergio's Secret. Before I get started with today's video, if you can please give this video a thumbs up and the subscribe button. I post a video daily on the channel on contemporary and designer fashion. And today, guys, not only are we doing a giveaway, we are also going to be unboxing the first handbag purchase of 2022. We are a little under halfway. Get your words out straight. Through the month, and we already have the first handbag purchase. I know I was supposed to get somewhat of a no handbag buy, but this handbag was going to sell out, and by the time that I am filming this video, the handbag is sold out. So I did a great job by purchasing it, and I told you guys to purchase this handbag. So for all my subscribers that actually bought it through my Instagram stories, I want to say thank you so much, and thank you for supporting the channel. And I always put links and I always talk about new releases and stuff on my Instagram stories, so I suggest you guys to follow me on Instagram. I am kind of changing my Instagram story where I do post a lot more personal, but it's more of towards a different approach. But then I'm also showing you kind of fun and new product that I see on social media and reposting it and getting your guys' opinion on the items. I will give you a quick outfit of the day. This shirt is a beautiful silk Burberry top. It has the beautiful new Burberry monogram. The top is Burberry, and this really pretty light baby pink that I bought about a year ago. I bought it around the January sales towards the end of the markdowns, and I remember I got it. It was like $1,000. It was 60% off. It was $400, and then I had a $200 note. Then my employee discount, so I ended up paying like 100 and something for it. Super pretty. It's a little bit on the oversized. This is size 10. Normally with Burberry button-ups, I'm usually a size 6 because I find that they run a little big, and so I like this one because it's nice and flowy, and I can also wear it open. I'm a Lagos Pearl earring and necklace set, and then with my classic Cartier watch that I always wear in every single video. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So the unboxing comes here. So this handbag came from the Coach factory outlet, or the Coach outlet. This is a outlet style. This is not a full price purchase. You guys always know that I will always prefer to buy a full price item, but once in a while, if I do really like something, and you guys know it doesn't really matter where it comes from, as long as it's great quality and I see the value in it and it has an afterlife after I'm done using the item, if it will withstand the wear that I give it, then I think it's a great purchase. And so for me, I have not purchased anything from the Coach outlet since last year when I bought the J.Lo X Coach collaboration. I will say, as far as collaboration items, I prefer the Coach factory. I find that they have a little bit better collaborations than the full price Coach boutiques. I think the full price Coach boutiques, for me, it's a little bit better when I buy more core items or more kind of classic items. Not saying that the outlet doesn't have it, because they do have classic items, but I find that I go for more kind of like updated or elevated styles from the Coach full price store, and from the outlet I definitely prefer to buy more kind of quirky items or more things that are a little bit out of my comfort zone, because I find that the price point is a little bit lower, and I find that even if I don't get a lot of wear, at least I didn't pay for something that would cost me somewhat something like that from the full price boutique. Even though this item was never meant to be sold at a boutique, that's totally fine by me. And so let's go ahead and unbox it. So I saw this bag. Kate Spade came out with a version of it last year. I will enter the photograph. I was going to purchase the Kate Spade one, but honestly, I kind of waited a little bit, and Coach came out with a version of it this year. And so let's go ahead and unbox it, guys. So here it is. So I didn't know that the Coach outlet, first of all, to even get this bag was such a deal. There's such a story time. There's always a story time with everything with Sergio's Secret on this channel. I'll also explain that. So here is the bag right here, but let me tell you the story time. So not only did I get one for myself, and this is the one that I've been using, I also got one for you guys, because I'm going to give one as a giveaway, because I love all of my beautiful subscribers. So one of you guys are going to win this beautiful Coach heart bag. Oh my god, they did not want to sell me 2 of them. So here is the shopping bag. I literally had to make my friends, and good thing I was with my friends that day in Cyprus here in Houston. And so basically, in order to shop it early, you have to be a Coach insider. And so obviously I'm an insider. Obviously I have more than one email. I have a business email, I have like personal emails, and so I have multiple accounts just for situations like this. And so I called and I said, well, I'm a Coach insider online, it lets me purchase it can I buy it in store? And they said that's fine. And so when I went to the store, they brought it out from the back, and I was like, well, I would love to purchase a second one. And they're like, well, you have to be Coach Insider. Well, I said, well, and it can't be on the same transaction. It has to be 2 forms of payment. And I'm like, okay. So while she went to go bring the other one, I gave my friend one of my cards, and I said, I'll just pay with Apple Pay or pay with another card, and then we'll just kind of call it, you know, a day. And then so she brought it back, but she said it can't be the same account on the Coach kind of whatever account. And I was like, it's fine. I said, there's 2 accounts, and I'm gonna buy both of them. They were giving me a hard time, but they were kind of making me jump through extra steps. I'm like, girlies, I know these are hard to come by, but I have to get one for my beautiful subscribers. One of you guys, I want you guys to have one of these bags. So so I jumped a little bit through hoops, and I ended up getting it. And so let's talk about price and availability. So the price of this one in the outlet is $149, and the retail or the factory price is $298. So technically the first markdown was 50% off, but since it is the factory, we all know that those prices are very fabricated. They're very kind of like, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But I feel like this at the full price Coach boutique, I feel like something like this would cost at least $248 or $298. So I'll give them that. I feel like that's how much it would cost at a Coach retail store if this bag was there, in which I feel like this bag should have been in a Coach retail store, because it still would have sold out if you ask me. Because when the Kate Spade when the Kate Spade first got introduced, it sold out immediately. So I can see Coach restocking this one, because it did really well for Kate Spade. And then if you go to your local Kate Spade factory outlet, you do see the Kate Spade heart bag still there. But I go on the website, they actually raised the price of this bag, even though it's sold out to $169. And I believe there's another version that's like black, like a chocolatey monogram. I'll insert a picture of this, and this is $196. So the prices has already went up, and even though this is sold out, it already went up. I think it went from 50 to 40% off. So I see what Coach kind of did there. They kind of raised the price of it, but I mean, good thing I got to shop it a day early. And so that's the availability on your boutiques. I would definitely call the Coach factory before you drive out there. I know here in Houston, there are 2. There's one in Cypress, and there's one in Katy Mills. In Dallas, there's one in the Allen Premium Outlets, Grand Prairie Premium Outlets, and there's one in Grapevine Mills, and there's one in Fort Worth. I think they're called the Tanger Outlets. And so there's 4 points of place that you can buy Coach items from the Coach outlet. So in Dallas, if you're lucky, you have 4 places to go, and here in Houston, from my knowledge, there's 2 places. And obviously, like San Marcos Premium Outlets is another great option, or Round Rock. Those are around kind of San Antonio and Austin. So kind of give you some locations. So if you guys really want the bag, I'll kind of call, and I'm pretty sure they can ship to you. Don't quote me on that, but if you really want the bag, that's what I would recommend to do, or if maybe one gets returned. And so here is the bag. So this is your bag. So I'm gonna stop actually touching it. I didn't know at the Coach outlet they start charging for the boxes. I was gonna get a box for it, but I'd rather just pack it my own. So they charge for boxes, which I didn't know that was a thing. The beautiful Coach bag. This is the one that I have. This is the one that I've been using since I purchased it. It is a beautiful heart, and I do want to compare the dimensions of this. And so I have my laptop right here, comparing this one to the Kate Spade one. So the Kate Spade one, what I can tell, it is going to be slightly a little bit larger than this one. But also, if you look, this one at the Kate Spade website is $239 online. So the pink one, or like kind of like the red version of this, instead of being at $149, it's $239. So it's about $100 more, but it's a little bit slightly larger. I will say I do prefer the size of this one. I think this one looks a little bit more cuter. It looks more boutique-y. It looks kind of like it'll be more fun as a vintage bag. And I also like the traditional different colors. If this was an all pink bag, honestly, I probably would have not went for it. If this was an all red bag, I would have purchased it. But for me, pink is a color that I like, but it's not a color that I have a lot of items frequently with. So I like to make sure that the pinks that I have go with other items. So pink goes well with white, it goes well with red if you color block it really well. And so for me, I like to make sure that I get versatility, even though that this is probably going to be a bag that I'll probably use until Valentine's Day, and I probably won't bring it out till next year. I'm at the point in my collection where I do want to have a little bit more of novelty bags. I already have a lot of my black classics. I will still buy my black classics, but I just kind of want to have a little bit more fun. And so I know I'm talking so much. Sergio, hablas mucho, mucho, mucho. So I will say that the dimensions of this one is slightly a little bit smaller than the Kate Spade one, and the Kate Spade one is about $100 more. If you do want to purchase it, I will leave this one and the chocolate version linked down below in case if they come back in stock. And then I'll also be putting some of my favorite Coach favorites that I found in the outlet link down below, my top 10, and then I'll leave the Kate Spade version down below if you want to check it out. And all that supports the channel, so I would really, really appreciate it if you do purchase. And so let's go ahead and open this baby up, and I'm actually going to be doing a what's in my handbag. So as far as the zipper, there are two zippers. They are in this kind of like I would say it's more of a yellow gold. It's not really a pale gold, and you can kind of zip it up, and for the most part the zippers have been really well. I really haven't had any issues opening the bag. And then when you open the bag, here is the tag. So I'll stop. Here is the tag just in case if you want it. And obviously it comes with a little care booklet right here. And then this one also comes with a strap. This chain material with a D clasp, and then on the, as far as the strap, it is all red. And then it has an adjustable, so you can adjust it quite a lot. It has good adjustments on them. For me, I'm not a big fan of straps that have chain and leather. I kind of prefer it to be all leather, all chain. I don't know, I'm not a big kind of mixture of the chains. I will use it if I need it to be convenient, or if I'm wearing like a cute blazer and I feel like it look cute on the side. But for the most part, I feel like I will be using the handbag more on the top handle, and I'll enter a photograph of me wearing the handbag right here. And so that's what it looks like. But now I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag and what fits inside. So the lining of the bag is a little bit of a, let's say, a little bit of a darker pink. It has card compartments. So right here I have my driver's license and have a debit card. And then you open it up, and then on the other side it has a little it has a little Coach tag on the inside, and it is lined in fabric. And so that's what fits inside of it, and they're both about the same like depth. You know how like sometimes certain bags, like on the Marc Jacobs Snapshot, one of them is a little bit more deeper than the other one. This one is about the same. And so we're gonna open the bag and we're gonna do what fits inside. And so the first thing that I have are my little Miu Miu pouch, and I can put card holders in here, but I actually have my house keys and I have my keys to drive. And so this one I'm gonna go ahead and put in the back pocket. I don't know, I find like Miu Miu is very girly, and I find that this bag is very feminine, so I find that it's kind of like a good combo. And so I can put that baby in there. And then in the front, I can definitely put a pair of sunglasses. Normally I don't really use the case, but you can fit that in there. I have AirPods I can slide in there. I have a Dior lip glow in there, and then I have a hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, and I can put all that in there. And as you can see, it's very easy and very smooth to fit in. And then in here, if I do want to put a perfume, I have 50 ml of the Chanel Chance, and I can fit that in there, but it won't zip. But if you do take the sunglasses out, the Chanel Chance will fit. Normally for me, since I do wear like a lot of jackets and a lot of blazers, I usually keep the glasses in the vehicle, or I keep them in my pocket, like in my blazer pocket. But I can fit Chanel Chance in the front if I do take the glasses out. And so it fits in there perfectly. It's not a bag that you can fit a whole lot. I can obviously take the Miu Miu pouch out. So let's say my cards are here up in the front. I don't want to carry the Miu Miu pouch, and I'm like, you know what, I don't really need. I can put, you know, my car keys, my house keys in here. And so obviously that doesn't take a lot of space, and I can also have space to put my sunglasses. And I'm just not carrying the Miu Miu pouch because I already have my cards and my keys are here. And my keys have a sensor, so whenever I go towards my key or to my apartment, it just automatically opens up. Even though that this is Saffiano leather, it still recognizes it. So I don't even have to open the bag or kind of fuss about it. I can literally go film myself, or like wear it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag, and I can just kind of go like throughout the bag. If it's in the back, just kind of move it like that, and it'll open me right up. But yeah guys, this is my newest handbag purchase of the year. Is the Coach Heart bag. I was not expecting for this to be my first handbag purchase of the year, but I really like it. It's gonna look really cute, and I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the Valentine's Day season. So probably you'll probably see me wear this till February 15th, and then I'll probably archive this until next year, or unless I have like an occasion where I have to wear this. Like this would be really cute to wear to like a baby shower, like a little girl baby shower, or like a gender reveal and I'm like teen girl. I feel like this would be like really cute to wear this with. Not sure if I would wear this throughout, like in the middle of summer or like in fall. I feel like this is very seasonal, at least for me. And like I said, I'm at that point in my collection. Or some people, I see people wear the heart bag from Kate Spade all the time, and that's good. Who knows, I may pull it out in the summertime if I have like a pink blazer or like a pink moment that I have. I do have some pink Celine trainers that I feel like will look really sickening with this, so I may wear it with that, and I may have like a white and like a pink moment, who knows. But I do love the bag. And then on the here on the dog tag, it has this glitter detail. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, a heart right here, and most of the Valentine's Day collection from Coach does have that heart, but I do really like that glitter detail. I don't know if you guys can see that on the dog tag. I do quite like that as well. So my new handbag purchase of the year, I think I really like it. I think it's a really great one, and yeah, cheers to more handbag purchases of the year. But I feel like for the month, I think this is going to be like the January handbag purchase. I really like it. I think it's really pretty, and it's going to get so much beautiful wear on it. And as far as the giveaway, this is the one that I'm going to be giving away. This one is a brand new one. It still has the chain attached, you know, the plastic on it, everything. So this giveaway will be taking place on Instagram. So I would say go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you do want to participate on it. And if you do not have Instagram, and if you do want an entry, all you have to do is just send me a screenshot. If you want to participate in this giveaway and you do not have an Instagram, you can just email me, and just email me that you want to be entered in the giveaway, and that will count as one, because I do want to make sure that this is an inclusive giveaway. So just make sure, send me a screenshot that you are subscribed to the channel and that you gave this video a thumbs up, and then just send me an email that you don't have an Instagram, and I'll count that as an entry. I won't forget about any of you guys. But the main actual giveaway will be taking place on Instagram. So by the time you see this video, I would go ahead and check down below my Instagram so you can have a chance to win this beautiful heart bag, and we can be twins. And so when it ends and everything will always be linked down below. When it ends and everything will be linked on my Instagram. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be Coach Heart twins. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you an appreciation that I love each and every single one of you from the bottom of my gay little heart. And I want to show you my new handbag purchase of the year, my first one, and I love it. Super cute, and I'm actually excited for Valentine's Day this year. And so yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this little gay homosexual video. I love each and every single one of you, and if you do have this bag, I would love to see how you style it on Instagram, so make sure to tag me on it. I would love to see it, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this little gay homosexual video, y los miro hasta la próxima video. Bye, guys, and take care.